In this video, we're going to explain the working principles of a double vane rotary actuator and its benefits. To better understand this concept, we strongly suggest that you watch our video on the single vane rotary actuators shown here. A double vane rotary actuator has an almost identical working principle to the single vane rotary actuator. The one big difference is that there are 4 chambers inside the double acting rotary actuator, whereas there are 2 chambers inside the single acting rotary actuators. These 4 chambers are divided into 2 chambers on both sides of the vane. While one of these 2 is filled with high pressure oil, the other is connected to the tank of the hydraulic system. The biggest advantage of the double vane rotary actuator is that its vane is balanced. Since the pressurized oil is acting on 2 sides of the vane simultaneously, the pressure force acting on the shaft is balanced. Also, with the equal pressure force acting on 2 opposing sides of the vane, the torque exerted on the rotating shaft is doubled with respect to a similar sized single vane rotary actuator. As is always the case, when you gain something, you lose something. There's no win-win situation here. In the double vane rotary actuator, we lose rotation range. Rather than having an almost 360 degrees rotation, the rotation range reduces to less than 180 degrees for the double vane rotary actuator. Since there are 4 fluid chambers and 2 connecting ports for double vane rotary actuators, the corresponding pressure chamber must be connected by 2 channels at the middle of the rotating vane. Please note that these channels do not intersect with each other, and they are at different depths from the viewpoint of the audience. Notice how the pressurized fluid, shown here in red, and the tank flow, shown in blue, are moving from one chamber to the other through these channels when the vane rotating clockwise and counterclockwise. Thank you for watching our videos. If you liked what you saw here today, please like and subscribe to our channel.